What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Travis here, and today we're going to be doing a POV drive in my Mk1 Audi TT 225. Now, this isn't going to be a traditional POV with a GoPro on my hat. Instead, I'm going to have this suspension mount on the back window, so it gives you more of a centered view. So it's not going to be a traditional POV, but hopefully I'll get a good shot of what it's like to be driving this car and what the experience is like. So I suppose we'll start off this video with a cold start. So just wanted to kind of review my camera setup with you guys. First of all, the camera I'm using is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The Pocket 3 is a gimbal camera, and the mount I have for it is, see if I can get you guys a good shot, is the Sniper Pocket 3 suspension mount you can see in there. So the camera I'm recording with right now is going to be strapped in there, and hopefully it'll get you guys a good, a good video of what the driving experience of this car is like. Lots of smoke. It's about 10 degrees here in New England today, and this is a 3-inch catless downpipe on this car, so it's got quite a bit of smoke. This thing on. All right, boys, she's pretty much fully warmed up now. Yeah, so obviously got the camera all mounted up behind me. Not your traditional POV, but I hope it helps give you guys a feel for what the driving experience of this car is like. Now, as for the audio of this video, I do have the DJI wireless mics. I have two of them, but I decided not to use them in this video because I wanted to kind of try and capture the interior sound. So we're just using the mic on the camera. So we're going to see how well it captures, the intake and turbo noise, as well as the exhaust note in the back. Hopefully it does a good job. Maybe in the future we can try some other type of audio setup. But yeah, we're going to try to give you guys a good example of what it's like to drive this car here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be talking much in this video. I think this video is more about the car. I'm not sure if I'm going to do just, one big uncut video, or if I'm going to cut it up to the best moments. We'll just get it fully up to temp before we rip on it too much. This video is filmed in Mexico, by the way, as you can tell by all the snow. Alright, now she is fully warmed up, but there's a spot the cops like to hang out up here, so we're just going to get past there. Alright, it looks like this little quarter-mile, half-mile strip here, it looks like there's no cops. What we're going to do is we're going to turn around and we're going to get a little ripsky for you guys. Okay, we'll get onto the road, get a little bit of space. That's only like 3,500, 4,000 RPM. I still like to baby this thing. I've put a lot of time and money into it. I guess I gotta find some back roads, huh? I guess that's what's gotta happen here. Let me get my fat head out of your way. As we turn around here, get a nice little view. Time to get gas. Terrorize the streets may be up by the wealthy people. You know, I don't know if I'm wrong. Fuck it. We're running out of gas here, boys, but we'll finish up the video here at a good spot up here. not going to leak where I live. We're getting pretty close. So on that note, I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for stopping by. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Leave in the comments what you want to see next, you know, or if you want to see, you know, different audio formats done, whatever. I don't know. Peace.